If your credit score sucks and you need to delete negative items from your credit report, I created the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. In case you've been living under a rock, AI technology is taking over the world in every single industry out there, and credit repair is no different. And that's exactly why I created Dispute Beast, because I saw a need in the credit repair space and I saw things changing for not the good, but actually the worse, and I had to take action. Dispute Beast has been under research and development for over 3 years, and this is exactly why it is light years ahead of all these bootleg credit repair softwares out there. In case you're wondering, no, this is not ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not understand what the true credit reporting format is, which is Metro 2 compliance reporting. It is the format of reporting that the credit reporting agencies have decided to report everything on your credit report to make sure that it's accurate and complete. And the biggest problem with ChatGPT is nobody is feeding it actual dispute letters. It doesn't understand what Metro 2 compliance reporting is. It doesn't understand how e-Oscar is communicating back and forth with the actual creditors and the actual consumers. It doesn't have anybody feeding it dispute letters. So it does not have the opportunity to actually advance and actually understand what works and what doesn't work. And that's why I created Dispute Beast. With the help of my partner, Just J Woodfin, we fed this machine over 3 million dispute letters. So it's constantly learning and constantly advancing, unlike anything in the credit repair space has ever seen or even created. And this is why I say it's the most advanced system, because there's no other AI credit repair software out there that's going to do everything that Dispute Beast does. The goal with Dispute Beast was to create a software that makes it super easy for anyone to perform credit repair at the highest level possible as a regular everyday American. This isn't for credit repair companies. This is only directly for everyday hardworking Americans that are struggling with their credit scores, struggling with actual negative items on your credit reports. Dispute Beast will scan your credit reports looking for collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical collections, bankruptcies, student loans in default, child support, hard inquiries, any negative item that's hurting your credit. Dispute Beast is going to hunt it down and attack it. It's also going to attack any personal information that does not match your driver's license or utility bill on file. And the best part about it is these are not template letters. These are custom-made letters every single round, and you don't have to fill anything out. All you gotta do is hit a button. It's gonna create your letters, and then guess what? All you have to do is print them out and mail them. Make sure that you stick with me to the end, because there are 2 major updates about Dispute Beast that you want to hear about. And no, this is not the bootleg Creditversio that's charging you $29.99 a month for 3 basic template letters for only 3 credit reporting agencies. And no, this is not a white labeled product like you see other creators out there selling, like this creator right here. They're selling the same product that is basically Creditversio for $39.99 a month. They're selling you the same product, giving you the bare minimum. But hold on, Creditversio doesn't just stop with that creator. Creditversio is also using this creator to sell the same exact program, the same exact basic cookie cutter template letters for $29.99. They're not the only ones. There's hundreds of these people out there that are selling the same basic cookie cutter template letters with nothing else to it. Now let's not forget about the other bootleg credit repair DIY software called Dovely. This software is crazy because they're claiming that they can raise your credit score 79 points. That's right, it says it real boldly on the front of their website. Boost your credit score 79 points. I mean, that's 100% illegal because they don't know that. They don't know if they can do that. What proof do they have? They don't. Just trying to scam people all day long. That's all they're trying to do. If you scroll down and you look at their pricing, they're gonna charge you $39.99 a month, and you can only get access to your TransUnion credit report. So if you wanna attack anything on Experian or Equifax, it's just gonna guess that it's actually there. And if you know credit, there's nothing that's the same across all 3 credit reporting agencies. Even though it's supposed to be, guess what? It's not, because they're all completely separate, different entities. So you can literally be printing letters that are basically pointless and are gonna get you nowhere. And of course, it's a template-based system also. But let's not leave out this other software called M2 Phenom that has nothing phenomenal about it. Because again, it's the same sad story. They're using a template-based system. And on top of that, they're charging everyone per attack, which is crazy.
You guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam. Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
But what do all of these softwares have in common? They're all working super hard to give you the bare minimum and charge you the most they possibly can get away with. Let me show you exactly why Dispute Beast is better than the best.
Better than the best.
That's what I think.
Tell them.
Better than the best.
Last part's the most important. So let's start at the very beginning with Dispute Beast. The moment you go to the Dispute Beast website, you're going to see an actual button at the very bottom, whether you're doing this on mobile or you're doing it on desktop. There is an actual button that says English. Click on that, and then once you see Español for Spanish, click on that, and it will turn the entire website into Spanish. This is the first credit repair software that has ever done this. And when you click the actual Get Started button and you go there also and you're ready to get started as a Latino, then you go there and you click the same button at the top right there and click Spanish, and guess what? It turns the entire process into Spanish also. So for my familia Latina out there, we are here and we can actually help you. Dispute Beast can help you in English and in Spanish. Nobody else can do that. Now let me show you a full demo of how you can actually set up your account and how you can create your own custom letters and everything that Dispute Beast does.
But let me walk you through a better example. So you're gonna upload your driver's license, your social security card. I highly suggest that you do your social security card also, because this is going to solidify that it's actually you. And then you click the Get Started button, of course. And then you're gonna click that button that says Generate a Tax. You'll see everything here in your hub in one place. All the negative accounts, your score, your utilization, all the important things. Then once you click that button, you're gonna see it's gonna highlight all the negative accounts. And then you're gonna see all the hard inquiries. If you want to attack hard inquiries, you can click on the ones you want to attack. It's not going to let you attack any negative item that can, any item that can hurt your credit. So if it's like a positive item that you shouldn't be attacking, Dispute Beast won't let you fail. It will stop you and let you know like, yo, don't do that, because you can ruin your credit. It warns you, unlike any other software out there. Then you click Start Attack, and it starts to analyze and it's generating its attack. It's creating your custom Metro to attack letters per your specific issues that are on your credit reports, which makes it very unique. And bam, look at it. It's just that fast, literally. It's crazy. So then you see right there is your option to mail it yourself. Coming soon. Pay attention to that little bar up there. We got our actual TransUnion letters. Now you see how there's 3 letters. It's not just one letter. That's the best part about it. You don't just get one letter. You're getting all the letters that you need to attack in that first round. And then you're gonna get your Experian letters. Now, if you pay attention, we'll scroll down just a little bit so you can see there's a creditor letter. There you go. Then there's the Equifax letter. And then all the third-party credit reporting agencies that nobody else attacks. Then you're gonna download them. Very simple. You can download them onto your computer, onto your phone. You'll save them. And then you'll see all your letters. It'll save it like in a zip file. And those are all of your letters. Already ready for you, locked and loaded. You gotta print them out. It even shows you what your actual envelopes should look like when you're mailing it out, so it actually looks proper. And then you're pretty much done.
And it's truly just that simple. You don't have to fill out any letters. Dispute Beast does it all for you. All you have to do is print out your letters and mail them. But here's the big but. Here's the big, huge announcement that everyone's been waiting for. Now, in 14 days from this video, we are going to release the mailing option. That means Dispute Beast will mail your letters directly for you. Again, truly making this the most advanced DIY credit repair software ever created. Nobody else has that option. They're just too lazy to do it and they just don't care. If you're ready to fix your credit, make sure to comment Dispute Beast to get started today. But wait, there's more. I forgot one last bonus gift that I have for all of my Dispute Beast users out there. If you sign up for Dispute Beast or you're an existing Dispute Beast client, I'm going to give you my exclusive Dispute Beast credit rebuilding video course that's going to be sent to you through email. You're going to receive a text message and it's going to say, hey, Mike from Dispute Beast has sent you an email. Check your email. That's officially from me. It's a way of me saying thank you for all of your support. And I'm also going to create an exclusive group, so be on the lookout. I'll announce it on Shorts. I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered a lot on how to fix your credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced credit repair software ever created by me and my homie Just Jay Woodfin. If you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.